In the wilderness, the song of the wolf echoes freedom. A lone wolf howls, a solitary ode to the untamed horizon. Moonlit nights unveil the mystical dance of the wolf spirit. In the pack's unity, wolves find strength beyond individual prowess. Wolves roam as nature's poets, whispering tales of the wild. Eyes of the wolf reflect the untold stories of the wild. In the silence of the forest, the wolf's wisdom speaks. Wolves navigate life's vast canvas with instinctual artistry. In the heartbeat of the wilderness, the wolf's rhythm resonates. Wolves teach us that strength lies in the pack's shared journey. There's a recognition of strength in their unity, acknowledgment of the individuality in their solitary journeys, and a deep connection with the primal rhythms of the wilderness. Together, these quotes invite contemplation on the beauty, wisdom, and inherent grace found in the lives of wolves, and by extension, in the vast, untamed landscapes they call home. That empowers you on your journey to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Thank you for watching.